Hi, my name is Elena Avila and I'll be doing my presentation on the Elephant Festival. I have always been intrigued with elephants, as you can see. I find them really intelligent and also they're really hardworking animals. And India has always been known to use elephants as anything to carry heavy things, to transporting items, pretty much a hardworking animal. But also they do worship them. That's probably why they have created the festival, the Elephant Festival. So, going into the festival, the history behind the festival started when kings did exist. Before the Elephant Festival was more respected, they would get the strongest elephant that they could find within their kingdom and have them fight in the Colosseum with, of course, other kings that would choose their elephant. Thank God that doesn't happen anymore, so that's great. But through that being said, that there's so many other significance to the elephant, such one of them, they some Indian people believe that the gods and the demons fought together and stirred up the ocean where they created 9 gems. One of the gems was an elephant. So that's pretty interesting. And also one of the gods that they also worship is Geisha, and Geisha is a god of all-knowing, wisdom, the god of new beginnings, the god of art and science. And before you start any festival or anything festive, you would actually go to Geisha and ask Geisha for their blessing to continue with this festival. And once Geisha gives you your blessing, you have a really fun time. So that's another fun thing. Elephants are known for a lot more things in India, but those are just a few factoids. Once they start preparing for the festival, they start with a bath, a royal bath. And children, even Indian men, get them all ready and glossied up for their pretty much big debut. So they get their garments ready, their jewelry ready, and then they start on their catwalk, which they actually do call it an elephant catwalk. After that, things such as elephant polo, elephant sports, dance of the elephants, roll of mahouts, colorful elephants, elephant games, elephant holes, like everything's just pretty much elephants. And they are beautiful. They are painted with all sorts of colors that the Indian people are really known for, and beautiful garments that they have to wear. And not only do they have to wear them, the people also riding them have to actually wear them, which is pretty interesting. So regarding all that being said, for 2020, the festival for the Elephant Festival starts in November 21st, 2020, on a Saturday, which hopefully if we get out of this quarantine, it will be really quick. So that's when it starts, and it takes place in Jaipur, India. So that's pretty much it. And thank you for hearing me, and I hope you probably want to add that to your bucket list once you go. Thank you.